This is where I used to work as an engineer. I would stay in the middle of nowhere for 8 months of every year. I did this job for almost 4 years, and my job was basically to extract oil and get it ready for production. There was no such thing as day shifts or night shifts for me. I will work sometimes in the morning, sometimes at night, sometimes at midnight, and sometimes even the entire day. And that's not all. Some months I stayed without internet or phone signal. I didn't have anything to do else except do my job and go to bed. And in March 2021, I had enough and I got sick and tired of this job because of the physical and mental pain. I had no time to see my family, and I gave up all of my favorite things to do, like working out, playing video games, and playing soccer, until I invested in a $7 training course that I found on TikTok and was able to quit this job in December 2021. If you want to learn how, just follow me and comment below ready, and I'll tell you exactly how I do.